The platypus is easily the weirdest animal on Earth. It is a mammal, yet it lays eggs. It hunts using electricity sensors in its bill, and it doesn't have nipples, so it just sweats milk out of its skin for its babies to lick up. To make matters crazier, the males have venomous spurs on their hind legs that cause pain so intense that standard painkillers like morphine don't even work on it. If you think the platypus was made from spare parts, hit that like button and subscribe for more weird biology.